Let's make the simple Valentine sign using a Cricut. I'm using Cricut Design Space and I've already opened a new project. I'm selecting a square from the Shapes panel and resizing it to 12 by 16, which is the size of my canvas. Just changing it to white to see better. And then I'm going to add text and use the word love. I chose the font Bernard MT and I resized the word to 1 inch in height. Then I'm going to duplicate this word across the canvas 4 times. I'll select all of those and distribute them so they're evenly spaced, and then group them together and duplicate this line down the page. Now we're ready to cut if you're using one of the Explore machines or the Cricut Maker, but I didn't have a big enough piece of vinyl, so I decided to use my Cricut Joy and cut 2 lines at a time. Don't forget to attach so everything stays in place. I'm using the Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl, so I don't need to use a mat. And again, still attach those 2 lines that I'm cutting each time. Once it's cut, I'm going to cut off the excess using my trimmer and keep those scraps, and then weed out all the negative pieces and use my transfer tape to transfer it onto the canvas. This vinyl is very thick, so it's going to take some patience. And I left that one love out on the top and added it with red vinyl. So repeat this process if you're using your Cricut Joy, and you'll have this cute, simple Valentine's love sign using your Cricut.